What's up, gang? It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Came on so I can show y'all my meal preps for those hot summer days or just any day where you don't want to cook every day after work or what have you, and you're a busy person. Here I got some chicken thighs. I just cooked them up, y'all. Y'all can see them on another video that I cooked these chicken thighs up, but they were previously marinated in some garlic and wine sauce. And then I got some salmon here I prepped and marinated. I got some steak, top sirloin steak I chopped up for steak bites. And then I got some chicken tenders that I chopped up for like chicken rice, and also the steak for you can do it like rice as well, hibachi type thing. I got some onions, some fresh garlic, some mushroom, some carrots, bell pepper medley. I got some yellow, orange, and red. And then over here I got some rice that I previously cooked yesterday and let it dry out, and then just boxed it up so it's pretty ready to go and eat. Got some asparagus that I cooked up and ready to go, ready to eat, and also some mashed potatoes. So y'all can see I got a variety of sides, starches or what have you, a few vegetables, and some proteins. And that's how I prep for the week, or for a few days anyway. This will last me at least a week, y'all. But like, this is prep for a few days that I do so that I can come grab and go, and easy meals. It's the beginning of the day, so right now I'm trying to get the proteins cooked up, and then I can just grab and go and mix and match, and you can pair this with salad as well. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more fresh ideas. Like, share, and comment, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, y'all, we got our proteins on the stove. This is our chicken tenders. It's green Thai chili seasoning on them. Over here, we got some salmon cooking up with some fisherman seasoning and a little Old Bay. And over here, we got some steak bites cooking up. And we just season that up, y'all, with some fresh garlic and some Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, so just wanted to come show y'all our proteins that are cooking up on the stove. I'll show how they look on the next clip. We still got our vegetables here on the counter, y'all. So we got our onion, we got a little leftover garlic butter here for our vegetables, mushrooms, carrots, and our bell peppers. So I'm gonna get them sauteed up in the skillet after we get our proteins cooked up. Okay, y'all, we all set. Got our chicken thighs cooked up. We got some asparagus there. We got some red, yellow, and orange bell pepper medley, and some onion saute. We got some top sirloin steak cooked up. We got some chicken tenders that I broke down and cooked up with some green Thai chili seasoning. I got some salmon hooked up with some fisherman seasoning, some fresh mashed potatoes, and then over here I made 3 of these boxes, y'all, with some mushrooms, carrots, and rice that I can add any of my good proteins to. Also, the mashed potatoes I can add my proteins to, and then the bell peppers. So, got a good combination of meals here where I don't have to cook for the next few days since it's so hot here in Michigan. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Comment down below, do you guys meal prep when it's super hot outside? And if so, what are you cooking? And let me know if you'll try any of these fresh meal prep ideas that I've been sharing online. I do have others, y'all, so if y'all want some other ideas for how I meal prep when it's hot or just any time of the year for fast, easy meals to be able to grab on the go, check out my other videos. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye.